So it's been less than a year and AI has found its way into every industry: tech, art, music, literature, legal, and even farming. It feels like every single tech company has integrated AI into their products. Of course, you have the OG ChatGPT from OpenAI, but you also have Microsoft, which has AI in their Office suite now, Canva using AI to help you create content. Bing tried to roll out a chatbot early on, but that kind of crashed and burned after it started threatening the users.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the?
And now you can talk to a chatbot directly within Snapchat that will learn every single thing about you and store it forever. Artificial intelligence is a term investors are salivating over right now, so it's understandable that every company is trying to get in on the action. We're seeing AI generated art everywhere now, with people creating beautiful scenes, entire branding layouts, portraits, and so much more. You already heard it by now, it's trending everywhere, but there are people creating completely new songs using artist voices with AI. For the first time ever, Drake can now experience a Drake drop.
When it's cold where I'm from, yeah, I got enemies, okay, the winter's cold where I'm from, they try enemy, I swear the winter's cold where I'm from, they try to sentence me, okay, the winter's cold where I'm from, we had them tending key.
When ChatGPT started passing the bar exam and acing the SATs, panic set in for consultants, accountants, and bookkeepers. People started using AI to instantly and effortlessly create art, and artists were terrified of the impact on their careers. Once AI started affecting the music industry, labels called out to platforms to remove AI-generated music. Now we have ChatGPT writing entire applications from start to finish with unit testing, docs, and branding. I don't know about you, but that has got me sweating. Now we all know software developers can use ChatGPT to speed up their development process, helping resolve errors, proofread code, write basic functions when given some context about the application, and so much more. However, the main issue is that the AI does not have access to the entire project, which means it lacks a lot of context when trying to provide you with solutions. This limits what you can ask it to do, and with companies rolling out policy updates to prevent developers from dumping entire confidential code files into ChatGPT, it can only be used as an assistant. Well, at least for now. That lack of context and information problem, well, it turns out you can solve it by just giving the AI access to your entire codebase. GitHub has announced Copilot X. With chat and terminal interfaces, support for pull requests, and early adoption of OpenAI's GPT-4, Copilot X is their vision for the future of AI-powered software development. This means now you can ask it questions and it'll tailor the response to your project, sifting through the appropriate files to give you the answer you're looking for. This also means you can ask it to write and maintain your test suites and docs. You can even ask it to write and push out your pull requests. Your very own personal intern. I honestly cannot do it justice, so let's just watch the trailer. That's insane! It's somewhat scary, but also so very exciting to have such a tool at your disposal. Even with crazy advancements like this, the truth is that AI is unlikely to replace high-value software devs who build complex and innovative software. However, it could replace some low-value tasks that just plague the average developer with better things to do. This is good news for those who are plagued, but maybe not for those whose entire job is these smaller tasks. But even if AI does replace some developers, it's important to remember that it won't happen overnight. There will still be a need for human oversight and creativity, and new jobs will be created to support the development and deployment of these AI systems. I mean, we got companies out here hiring prompt engineers. I think we're gonna be okay. So if you're a software developer, take a deep breath. There's no need to lose all hope, just yet. Instead of worrying if you're going to lose your job or won't be able to find one once you graduate, try to view AI as a tool to enhance your skills and productivity. Learn how to use AI to automate repetitive tasks and improve software quality. Focus on high-value work, building complex and innovative systems that require human creativity and expertise. And keep up with the latest developments in AI to stay ahead of the curve. I know everyone probably keeps saying this, but these are exciting times. We're experiencing the next step in technology from the front row, and we're able to embrace it early on before it's used in every aspect of our lives. Oh, right, so the video title, the answer is no, not yet, and probably not for a while.